Hi, this is Suraj from Saudi Arab. Today I am trying to show you how to change Samsung Galaxy S2 charging connector. The mobile is not charging properly, so we just got charging connector, and inside that it is broken, so we are changing this one. Inside that actually big strip is there, but we are not changing the strip, but particularly we are changing just charging connector. It's so difficult, but I am showing you. You just look or check out. Thanks. Thank you very much for watching my video Samsung Galaxy S2 how to change charging connector. It's very easy, but it's difficult also because the charging connector, the subboard is too much thin, so if you heat too much it will be burned. So but it's very easy way. Thank you. If you like, just subscribe my channel and just comment below whatever you feel like good. Thank you very much.